Hello, everybody. How you all doing? I hope you're doing great. So I'm here. I'm late. It's now, well, I don't know when you're going to see it, but it's now early June, and this is the last canvas I did in Molly's my cat. The last canvas that I did in April. And I forgot to do the post review. Oh my. So it is called Pisces Zodiac Kitten by Maryline Cazenave. Look at the baby. Oh my God, she's too toot. That means, oh my God, she's too cute. And I don't quite know if she's going to be a really good girl and not bother the fish, because the fish is doing bubbles up here saying, I wonder what that little kitten is going to do because its little paws are in the bowl. But I'm going to say it's a good kitty, and she's not going to touch the fish. She's just taking a picture with her. Yeah. Can you tell that I like the canvas? Okay, so let's get down to the nitty-gritty. It's from Diamond Art Club. I had no problems with the drills, or it's a square drill project. I had no problem with the drills or the sticky or seeing the symbols. As per usual, every now and then, though, who knows, something might happen. Now there were, what was in this? 1 AB, 1 iridescent, 1 frosted, and 3 dust. 1 iridescent and 1 frosted. Now see, that I don't know, because these yellow pieces here that you're seeing out here, iridescent, I think. No, that's the frosted drill. All right, I got it. That's the frosted drill. It almost looks like glow in the dark drill, but it's not. I'll give you a better look at this after. And these little stars are actually, that's the iridescent, because that's their crystals. It's a gold crystal they used in the stars. The 1A, and now frosted, I got blue down at the bottom of the bowl, light blue here. The white is frosted. Fairy dust, sorry. White and blue is fairy dust. And wait, now, where'd the other one go? Oh, a bit of orange. We got some orange in here. And the whiskers are actually fairy dust. Now, first time you're going to hear me say this. I really like the whiskers as fairy dust. I hate it when the whiskers are ABs. I really do. As much as I love ABs. But they shouldn't be whiskers. I hope they continue to make whiskers out of anything but ABs. Or iridescence, which is crystals. But the 1AB that's in this kit, I think is genius where they put it, is all of this gold border. All of it is the AB. And I just love it. If it hadn't have been AB, maybe I would have made it AB. And if I get another one with a border like this, and I have enough of the AB or one that's close enough to it in color, I'm definitely making it AB. Because it's a quick little, for someone too that doesn't, I don't want to say doesn't know how to enhance a kit, but it would already been enhanced for you. The enhancement are the drills that I just talked about, the special ones. Doing a border in a crystal or an AB would be a perfect enhancement, and anybody could do it, right? All you do is, and I mean, if you decided that you wanted to change the color of that, you could have too. Although you'd want something that contrasts with it really well, so then it even stands out more for this kind of a thing, right? if I was going to change something, say I was, what could I change in here? Well, maybe I wanted to put some AB in the water, right? Some ABs in the water in the blue. But I would make sure that it was close to the color or the same color as if possible, right? You don't always have to, different shades. You could use a different shade, but just make sure that you do all of that particular shade in the new shade. That makes sense? So, let me see. Not enough trash to show you. Is it? Little bits. But let's go get a little bit of a close-up. Hang on now. So, like that's the fairy dust. Down here is the dust drills. That's the dust drill. Like you can see the white. Oh, now where am I to? La 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 la. That's all dust drills. Let's keep going this way. Oh, now let's go here. There are the ABs. So you can see that AB, if you don't know what an AB is, it's got a different coating on top than the regular drills, so it's even more shinier. And, where was you? Finger. There's the crystals, gold. And here are the frosted drills. Oh, that's just a big finger, isn't it? So it's a frosted drill. It's just, it looks matte, like a matte color. There's no shine to it, but it works. And here again, you can see those better there. But it was easy. It only took me well, it was 5 days of working on it, but it was only 16 hours and 12 minutes. So I bought it last year in July. I kitted it up this year, certainly. There was 42 colors on this, and it was only 43 by 43. But, if you saw 43 by 43, you go, holy crap, and there's 42 colors. There's a lot of confetti. But the only bit of confetti was the cat and the fish. All the rest of it was blobs. Like there's 2 or 3, 4 different color blues in here. The darkest being out here and going later as it goes in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 blues in this one. But it wasn't all little, except for when they're blending one into the other. You can see like there's like a little checkerboard effect right here. That's the only time there was a little bit of confetti. So it was wonderful. And the only thing I wrote down was had staticky drills. Other than that, it's wonderful. If I don't write any more than that, there's no more to talk about. Oh my. Anyway. So, yeah. So that's Pisces, Zodiac, Kitten by Maryline Cazenave. I love her stuff. And before, she used to just do partials. So, like, this would be the only part that would be done, say. Probably that part. And the rest of it would already be the background, right? But now they're actually doing hers, or maybe it's the way she's painting them, I don't know. But the last few years, all of hers have been full kits. They're still small kits, which is wonderful. I love the smallness, people. Keep small kits alive. And, because you can put a small kit somewhere that you can't put a big kit. Do you know what I'm saying? You can have a wall full of small kits. Maybe, 10 of them if you got the proper wall. But you'd probably only get 4 big kits up there, You know what I'm saying? All right, so that's enough. I'm going to say goodbye now. And here's your, great big hug. So hit the like button if you liked what you saw. You can, if you're new here and you liked what you saw, you could also hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. And you can leave me a comment. And if you're not a commenter, you can leave me an emoji, a little kitty or a little fish. And just to let me know you're here. Anyway, we're going to say bye-bye. I love you. We'll see you soon. Bye.